Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Step 3. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and what topics are covered. Next, develop a personalized study plan that fits your learning style and available time. Make sure to set achievable daily and weekly goals. Finally, identify and gather the most effective study materials to maximize your preparation. To study effectively, actively engage with the material by testing yourself frequently. Don't just passively read, try to explain concepts in your own words. Start using question banks from the beginning of your study period to identify weak areas. Prioritize deep understanding of core principles over simply memorizing facts, as this approach leads to better retention and application. Effective time management is crucial for success. Dedicate specific time slots for different subjects and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Remember to schedule regular short breaks throughout your study sessions to maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. Also, prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep, eat nutritious meals, and engage in physical activity. As the exam approaches, concentrate on reviewing high-yield topics and revisiting any areas where you consistently struggle. Taking several full-length practice exams under timed conditions is essential to build stamina and refine your test-taking strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. On exam day, trust your preparation and stay calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.